In this assignment, you're going to be working in the immediate mode window inside ArcGIS Pro, the Python window there that works in the immediate mode. And you're going to be asked to take 5 counties. Preferably they are feature class files in a geodatabase, but they don't have to be in a geodatabase. But 5 counties that are feature class files, and you're going to merge them together. Once you create that merge, then you're going to take that geographic entity and use it as a clipping surface for a point file. And in this example, we noted maybe you want to use the college file, but again, it can be whatever point file that you want to use, as long as there's points contained within these 5 counties that you just merged together. So you're going to merge 5 counties together. Then you're going to take that file and use that as the boundary file to clip a point file and create just those points in those 5 counties.